Ki Pulit ke East Khasi Hills ki layo Ksai ki jing Donkti ki kato katne ki briu habayade bar ka jing Shah bom yap ki angot ki ba jela ha Ichamati ha kasngi balang. Angot ki ba jela ki ba kerteng u isan seng bat usujid data ki la Shah bom yap ha kathain Ichamati bat dalda ha kakenhun ki briu ki bamla satya bantip ki dei ki e. Kane ke jing jia kala jia hadin bawai karali persya Citizenship Amendment Act ajakat kendai para pelong na kaseng Khasi Students Union KSU. Nakaliang Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills Ritu Rights Rawi ulaong ba la lap Ksai Henry ulaong ba ki Pulit kimpat kem satya yan noru. Uyathu ba kajing tokit menta kadang ya syakmat ban lap ya kidau halor kene kekam baman. Ha kajuk kopor une uhe Pulit ulakan tu ya baro bakin penne ya kajing syongsuk pat ban yai kat kum ka lenti ka ain.
Information, and then he rushed from Shah to Ichamati. The information that he received, but that there are some people in the area. Once he reached there, those people had dispersed. However, when they remained in the area, they were patrolling and all. After half an hour, they received an information that there is one dead body around around 100 meters away from the market area. They reached to the spot and they started inquiring into the cause of death, the dead body and all. And once they were inquiring, they received another information that on the way towards Molong, that's around 4 kilometers away from that PO, there was another dead body. Both were later identified as late Ishan Singh and late Sujan Datta. After that, our CSU teams and FSL teams, they reached the spot. They conducted the preliminary investigation inquiry into the matter. After that, two dead bodies were shifted to Shillong Civil Hospital mortuary. Today, the ministerial inquiry has been conducted and post-mortem examination is going on.
So this allegation that this incident could also be linked to the anti-CAA protest that was held yesterday in Ichamati, sir?
We are investigating into it from all the angles that we have before us and all the information that we have in front of us. However, I'm not at liberty to disclose the investigation details at this moment.
Have the family members of these two victims filed FIR?
Yes, two separate FIRs have been filed at Shah PS, both under 302 murder, and investigation has already started into both the cases.
So this incident has any link with the protest that was held?
See, in this case, we are investigating from all the information, from all the angles. I'm not ruling out anything. I'm not commenting on anything. These are parts of investigation right now. Once we have any confirmed and verified information, we will issue a separate press release.
So, whether any permission was sought for that holding that particular?
Not in our knowledge, no.
And who was the organizer of that?
We don't have information on that.
So there was no permission being
No.
sought from the authorities?
No.
So initially, name of few organizations have come up. So have you zeroed down on anyone?
Okay, so this incident we are investigating from the perspective of two murders that happened last night. Now, if whosoever individuals are involved in this particular incident, we have gotten certain leads, and till now we have not been able to make any arrests, but we are pursuing the case from all perspectives.
So can we say that these two deceased victims
Yes.
are being attacked by the same miscreants?
No comments.
There right now.
Situation right now is normal there. We have sent in additional forces and reinforcement there, and we are monitoring the situation very closely, but as of now it is peaceful.
So whether these two dead laborers They were working in the same limestone quarry, or
Whether they were in they were laborers working in limestone quarries, but whether they were working in the same mining, I will check and report.